In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Smartsheet when it keeps freezing. If Smartsheet is lagging, becoming unresponsive, or freezing while you work, don't worry. There are several simple things you can try to get it running smoothly again. We'll go through the most effective fixes in a clear order so you can troubleshoot the issue without making the process complicated. First, start by refreshing the Smartsheet page. Sometimes a temporary loading issue or a stalled connection can cause the page to freeze, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it up. Wait a few seconds after the page reloads to see if performance improves before moving on. If the problem continues, close extra browser tabs or any apps running in the background that may be slowing down your computer. Smartsheet can use a fair amount of memory, especially if you're working with large sheets or multiple tools at once. Reducing the number of open programs can free up system resources and help your browser respond more smoothly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored website data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with how web apps like Smartsheet load and perform. After clearing the cache and cookies, reopen your browser, sign back in if needed, and then test Smartsheet again. This step often resolves issues that seem persistent, but are actually caused by old browser data. Another useful step is to disable browser extensions that may be interfering with Smartsheet. Extensions such as ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or productivity add-ons can sometimes conflict with web-based platforms. Try turning them off temporarily, then reload Smartsheet and see whether the freezing stops. If it does, you can re-enable extensions one at a time to identify the one causing the issue. You can also try opening Smartsheet in a different browser. If the issue only happens in one browser, that usually points to a browser-specific problem rather than a problem with Smartsheet itself. Testing in another browser is a quick way to narrow down the cause. It's also a good idea to check whether Smartsheet is experiencing a service issue. If their servers are having problems, freezing or slow performance may be affecting multiple users at the same time. In that case, the best option is to wait until the issue is resolved on their end. If you've tried all of these steps and Smartsheet is still freezing, contact Smartsheet support. Let them know what you've already tested, what browser you're using, and when the issue happens. That will help them diagnose the problem faster. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Smartsheet working properly again.